In this video, we will show you how to share Google Calendar. To share our Google Calendar, first, when we open our calendar, calendar.google.com in here, then if we create some event, for example, in the 26th, we create event to some holiday, for example, and then in here, we want to share to another people or to share into public, we can just click settings, and you can see there's you can go to your settings for your calendar, for example in here. Then you can click the make available to public for access permission for events, and you can get shareable link, and people should log in using their Google account to access the events. And in here you can also share with specific people. You can add email in here, for example like this, and you can click send. And to get or to share your Google Calendar for public, you can scroll down, and in here you have the direct link to your public URL of your calendar, or you can embed the code into the website if you have a website. In here, let's just share the public of our calendar URL. Let's open without login. Now you can see there our calendar goes to public, so you can share with anyone with your business, of course, and all people can see what events or tasks they must see. This is a tutorial how to share Google Calendar. Hope this video helpful for you.